this video, we're going to talk about tags. So first off, what is a tag? Let's go into inventory and look at a few examples. Here you can see our inventory items, our parts, and on the right here you can see a couple parts that have tags on them. These two engine oil filters are tagged with the tag premium filter. So what is a tag? You can create a tag, you can give it any name you want, and you can simply use that tag and put it on any parts you'd like. That basically lets you classify your parts in a simple way. The tags that you've now put on all of your parts can now be used in your packages. And in your packages, it can help you identify which specific maybe filters or parts you want to show up in a service as an inventory refiner, or it can also do different pricing mechanisms. So based on that tag, the system knows to do additional pricing, maybe charge extra or charge an overage, depending on the package you have set up. So simply put, tags can be put on any parts you like, and then that tag can be used in the package to do something special, whether it's pricing or inventory refinement related. Okay, so how do we create a tag? Let's go into operations. Up at the top here, let's go over to our tag manager. And here are all of our tags. So right now you can see I have 3 tags. To edit or delete a tag, you simply can use the edit button or deletion button. And you can also view the usage of that tag. So if I click view tag usage, you'll see here I don't have any packages that are using this tag right now, and I have 2 inventory items that have this tag on it. And if I wanted to delete those items off the tag or delete the tag from the inventory items, I can remove them with these X's. Here's another example, and you'll see in this case I'm currently using this OEM tag inside the conventional oil conventional oil change package. So this just kind of shows you what's being used across the system, where your tags are being used, which packages they're on, and which inventory items they're on. To create a new tag, we're going to hit plus new tag. You can give the tag whatever name you like. So let's call it sample tag. I'm going to hit save new tag. There's my new tag I've created. And if I click view usage, of course, there's nothing that's been assigned anywhere yet. So now we've created that new tag. How do we add some inventory items to that tag? Let's go over to inventory, and let's say we wanted to add it to this air filter. I'm going to click edit on this air filter. Under the tag section, I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to add that sample tag option and hit save. And that's it. So now we've tagged that item as our sample tag. Now, you can actually add more than one tag if you wanted to. So I'm going to click edit again. Let's say I also wanted my OEM tag on it. I can also add OEM, hit save, and you'll see it'll show up as well. So you can add as many tags as you like on your items. Now, don't go too crazy on the tags. So there's certain instances where you should use tags and certain instances where you should not use tags. You should not use tags to identify part types, oil formulation, or oil viscosity. So why is that? Why don't we want to use tags for those? The simple answer is that you don't need a tag for part type because, as you can see on the left, we already have all that data. We already know this mighty part is an air filter because it has part type air filter. So we don't need to create a tag called air filter. You also don't need tags for oil formulation because we have that information stored already. And oil viscosity, we don't need to do that because we have the information stored already. Where you do want to use tags is if you maybe want to upcharge for a specific maybe type of filter. So maybe a cartridge filter you want to charge extra. So maybe you'd create a tag for cartridge filter. Or if you have a specific brand that you only want to show up in a certain package, then you could maybe use a tag for a brand. So basically you want to use tags for types of classification items that are not already available to you. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to take out this OEM one and hit save. So it's pretty straightforward on adding tags to your inventory items. You'd go through this, you'd add that sample tag or whichever tags you like to as many inventory items as you like. The second place, like we mentioned earlier, that you're going to use tags is in your packages. So I'm going to go back to operations here. We're going to go back to packages. For more information on packages in general, you can watch the packages video, but I'm going to jump into an existing package here and just show you how I can quickly use that new tag that I created. Let's say, for example, in my conventional oil change package, I want to charge the retail value of any of my filters that have that sample tag on it. I can simply go here, say plus pricing badge. Let's say, for example, I want to charge the cost of the filter for whatever reason. I want to charge the cost, and I only want to. I don't want to charge the cost on all my items. I only want to charge the cost on my items that have the sample tag on it, and I'm going to hit save. And that's it. So now the system knows which of my items have the sample tag, which of my parts have the sample tag, and when I add that part into this package, the system will know if it has the sample tag, I'm going to charge the cost of that part. Similarly, in the refiners, if I wanted to refine this package to only have the engine oil filters that are tagged with sample tag, I can go in here, I can add a refiner, and for simplicity's sake, I can just add a refiner for sample tag and hit save. Again, for more info on all this, go to the package section, but this is just how you can use the tags inside your packages. That's it for tags.